Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix app downloading issues on iPhone 16e. The first thing is to check your internet connection. So I'm gonna slide down from the right top part of the screen and I'm gonna make sure you can see I am connected to the Wi-Fi because I have the symbol right here. Also make sure you're not in airplane mode. This is how the airplane mode looks. I'm gonna disable it because I can't be in it to download the apps. Then also we need to make sure if the problem occurs that we may need to, for example, restart the Wi-Fi. So if you have a router at home, you should just unplug it from the power, plug it back in. Or also you can just go to Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone, enable Wi-Fi. You can also forget the network and connect to it again. Now as I'm connected, you should try again. And also we may need to go to the App Store, and here in cellular data, if you want to download an app over cellular data, not over Wi-Fi, you should go to app downloads, and you may set it to always allow if you don't have a limited cellular plan. So then it should work better. Try doing that again. If it didn't help, then you should open the App Store, go to Recents, so slide up and hold for a moment, and slide it up to close it. And now try opening it again. If it doesn't help, then restart your iPhone. You can first restart it by clicking on the volume up, volume down, and then pressing and holding on the power button. So after clicking on the volume up, release, on the volume down, release, then on the power button you need to press and hold until Apple logo shows up on the screen. Now I can release it and the iPhone should restart. And let's see if it helps. If it doesn't, then the next thing that you should do is make sure that you have correct date set on your iPhone, because I have stumbled across an issue of incorrect date sets one day when someone changed the date for me, and then I couldn't download things from the App Store. So go to the settings and go to the general. Then go to date and time and make sure it's set automatically. You can also disable and enable it back again, or you can disable it and set your own time zone, but I don't recommend changing these things manually. I'm gonna leave it on set automatically, and now you can try if it works. If it doesn't, then go to settings, and the last thing that you can do is go to your Apple account, and then click on sign out at the very bottom. And once you sign out, you should sign back in. But before signing back in, restart your phone in the same way as we've done earlier. So volume up, volume down, press and hold power button. I'm gonna leave it actually. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.